And nandito tayo ngayon sa may Uptown Bonifacio, and yung project na titignan natin is yung pinakamagandang part kasi meron kang 180-degree na panoramic view. Mitsukoshi Mall, Landers, and SNR. Investor, welcome back. So, andito tayo sa may Uptown Bonifacio, and today, ang agenda is to make a video comparing the 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom. Because I have a client na gustong tignan yung 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom. So, might as well gumawa ng video. And nandito tayo ngayon sa may Uptown Bonifacio, and yung project na titignan natin is Uptown Arts Residence. Andun lang siya. So, ito yung brand new condo namin dito sa may Uptown and luxury condo namin. So, located siya inside Uptown Bonifacio. So, tara, tignan natin. So, this is a 45-story building. Tapos, sobrang ganda ng location kasi meron tayong dalawang malls na malapit, walking distance. Mitsukoshi Mall, Landers, and SNR. So, it's like Costco in the United States. Dito tayo sa may Uptown Parade. So, it consists of mga restaurants and nightclubs. Tapos, doon naman yung Uptown Mall. So, sobrang ganda ng location. Okay, so simulan natin sa 2-bedroom. This is Unit I, and the size of this unit is 84 square meter. So tara, pasok kayo. So kapag pasok nyo, meron tayong digital lock set. So keycard access siya, fingerprint, tsaka code. Tapos yung mga switch niya is smart switch na rin. And dito sa left side, meron kang intercom. So smart home ready yung mga unit natin dito sa Uptown Arts Residence. Tapos ito yung main switch. And then pagpasok mo, living and then dining area. Tapos dito sa may kanan, yung kitchen. So furnished na yung kitchen, ganito siya kaganda. And yung mga kasama is quartz, countertop. Mas upgraded na siya kasi dati granite lang. And yung mga faucet and sink is mga top European and German brands. So this is by Frank. And then yung cabinets, maganda yung finishing. Then, dito sa side na to is yung refrigerator. So, kasama na rin to. 2-door, this is by Goren Hay. But ito, kasama na to built-in oven. Tsaka burner cooktop, 4-burner cooktop, tapos range hood. Dito sa side na to is a main room. So, merong provision dito ng washer and dryer. Tapos, pwede ka maglagay dito ng sofa bed. Kasi meron din tong sariling CR. Now, sa living area naman, meron tayong split type aircon na kasama. Tapos, merong access sa balcony. Maganda yung view dito sa balcony kasi meron kayong view ng BGC. So, ang view mo is Uptown BGC and this is facing east. So, this is morning sun. Dito naman tayo sa master's bedroom. Ito yung pinakamagandang part kasi meron kang 180-degree na panoramic view ng Uptown BGC. Okay, so we're done sa 2-bedroom. That's Unit I, and then this time, this is executive 1-bedroom. This is Unit K, and this is 60.5 square meter. Tara, pasok kayo. Living and dining area, and yung left side is the bathroom. On your left side is the kitchen. So, furnished kitchen, ganun din yung mga kasama. Quartz, countertop, faucet and sink. Dito yung refrigerator, and then maid's room. Sa maid's room, meron din siyang own toilet and bath. Living and dining area is maluwag, tapos meron din access sa balcony. Dito yung split type aircon. Now, tignan natin yung bedroom. So, ang luwag ng space para sa bedroom. Dito yung split type aircon, tapos floor to ceiling glass na window. So, maganda yung pasok ng araw dito. So, we're done sa unit walkthrough ng executive 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. So, we have available units for a studio unit, 1 bedroom, executive 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and executive 2 bedroom. Siyempre, ang pinakamalaki namin is 3 bedroom. That's it for this video. My name is Simon Sarmiento, Property Specialist of MegaWorld. If you're interested sa mga BGC properties, we offer pre-selling and ready for occupancy dito sa BGC. You can send a message or call to the number on your screen. And this is my Viber and WhatsApp. You can also scan this QR code for my Facebook and Instagram. See you on the next one.